Hey everyone, so today is the day that we're going to finally change our batteries. I don't know if you watched the last video, but we found out our battery was dead after charging it on the solar all day and it wasn't working. So I bought 2 new batteries and I have a little bit of a problem. There's our old battery. There's our new battery. Clearly bigger. I don't know why I didn't realize that, but I need to make some changes so I can get these batteries to fit. This is the battery case, battery box, and obviously it is a lot larger. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to use that piece of wood and rig something up as a temporary until I can get it welded like it has by the factory. Try to get that bar moved back a little bit maybe to try to fit these batteries. I went with 2 Everstarts, 800 cranking amps, 80 amp hours. I decided to go with 2 because I wanted some more time boondocking, so we have some trips planned and I want to be able to be off grid without using the generator. We are currently boondocking at my in-laws' house. We haven't made a video updating our lives recently, but a lot of changes we've had. We will be making a video about that. Right now, we are boondocking at the in-laws, like I said. We appreciate them letting us stay here. Not boondocking, mooch-docking, excuse me. We're definitely mooching for sure. But first, what's a project without a trip to Home Depot, right? Alright, so what I'm first going to do is remove this, get it out of my way, but then I have to remove the bike rack first. Disconnect the battery terminal, turn off the battery, just make sure no unwanted shocks, and then I gotta get this wood fitted in here. Alright, got this all disassembled, got to remove the propane tanks, got the battery out. So now I'm going to get the wood and fit it between here and here and here and here, and I'll have the batteries laying this way. I got my 2 terminals, they should reach, hopefully. Nothing about this project has worked out so far, so probably not, but we'll see. Alright, I got the pieces of wood cut. I thought they were going to be able to fit this way, but of course they're not. So they're going to have to sit this way. I need to make sure the propane tanks are going to fit with them sitting out like that. They are going to hang over the edge a little bit, but I have enough stuff to mount them to this wood pretty well, and then the batteries actually are a little bit small for this size box, so I'll put them more towards this end. I'm running out of good light, so I'm trying to make this quick. So I got it secured, got it bolted down. I was having trouble getting the bolts secured under there, but I finally got it. These are here to prevent it from sliding back and forth this way, and I also have a strap to extra secure it. So now I'm going to slip the batteries in and hook up the terminals and get it all hooked up. Alright. Alright, so I'm connecting these batteries in parallel. So we have the negative hooked to the negative, the positive hooked to the positive, and then the wires coming from the camper to connect to the camper. I have the negative on this side, and I have the positive running all the way around here, connected to the other side. This is increasing the amp hours and essentially is making one larger battery, and it's going to draw from it equally. This way you're not drawing from one battery or the other battery separately. I'm all finished. 2 12 volt 80 amp hour batteries. So essentially you got 160 amp hours out of these 2 batteries. They're hooked up in parallel. Way better than this garbage battery they gave stock that I just noticed says 125 minutes. So I take that as it's a garbage battery that they put on here. No wonder it didn't last us very long. I mean, self-admittedly, I didn't maintain it very well, and I didn't keep it on a charger at all, and I just neglected it. So the money I spent on these two, I'm definitely going to be taking care of these a lot better, and we'll have a lot more length and boondocking, and don't have to use our generators as much. All right, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.